Yo, welcome everyone. Sorry for the jump scare, I just had to do it. Rat Chef over here. Say hi, Rat Chef. Welcome to another Ratworks live stream where we are working on Ratatui. Look at the merch. Hell yeah, man, look at the merch. And we're gonna do some stuff also. Oh, I'm so dripped out. Today. we have the Grindhouse t-shirt, we have the Ratatouille hat. We have the Rat Chef over here. Rat Chef. Sorry for the jump scare. Just want to boot my PC now. Been Windows boot manage those EFI files. My man, just delete Windows. Come on. What do you want me to say? Hey everyone, welcome. What's poppin', man? Just a chill Sunday. We just gonna do a bunch of Ratatouille stuff, and so the end goal for this live stream is I just want to have a checklist for the next release. I know that I'm working on the release for many weeks now, actually many months. I think the reason why I started this live stream series Ratworks is because I want to finish the release and I just want something to force me to finish it. And now we have a series dedicated to maintenance. And once again, we are working on the release, but we just aiming for pushing this before the new year. So we're pretty close, guys. We just need to one last push and then we're gonna release this. Hello everyone, welcome to the stream. Network, QRT, and what's poppin', my rats? That sounded weird. Anyways, guys, so like I said, we have a look at a bunch of things, and I have a list from Josh. Actually, he looked at some stuff and just noted some of the PRs. I think I'm gonna prepare a similar list and just compare notes and just create an issue on the main repo about what to do, what's needed before the release and so on. So yeah, I think I'm gonna follow this format as well. Just need to, yeah, let me just follow this format. So this is gonna be release 1, release 2. Let's just use simple file names. But before I go into just taking a look at stuff, I think I'm gonna just filter my notifications based on Ratatouille stuff and just take a look at things that I haven't catched up with. I'm gonna catch up with things basically. So yeah, let's see. We have a dependency update. Let's go, just one by one, guys, just one by one. And as always, if you have any questions or anything that you want to say, just use the chat or interrupt me, I don't mind, it's all good. So Octocrab has been bumped. MSRV bumped to 1.86 on cargo platform. Cargo metadata crates. Oh damn. The advisory problem is covered in 2237. Oh yeah. There's like two things. One second, I'm just trying to pull that up. CI don't fail on cargo deny advisories. Instead of failing on advisories, run the cargo deny check and report the failure. Use cargo deny action instead of installing this manually. Okay, let's see what this is about. Recommended pipeline of using advisors to avoid sudden breakages. Wait, how is this actually reporting advisories? It's not reporting any advisories, it's more like, okay, it's hard to read with this diff view. Let's just have this view. So here what's happening is we just split the cargo deny action and we just don't fail on advisories. I think that's fair. Let's just merge it. So I'm gonna merge this and rebase this on the other one, and then it's gonna be fine. The advisories they're a bit like annoying, especially when you're just in a development cycle and you just get like random advisories. You have a broken CI. Instead of that, I think it would make more sense to run advisory checks on the release itself, like the release pipeline, so you're not able to release if there's a security issue, instead of just checking it for every commit, you know. I don't know, like, what do you guys think? I'm gonna just change this a bit. Alright. I just submitted my first add-in to Mozilla Store. I hope it will be approved. Nice. That sounds good. What is it about? Alright, we're just gonna wait for this to finish. In the meantime, let's take a look at some other PRs. We have a we have something that I have completely missed. Hello, Noreldin Hab 2686. Sorry if I butchered your name, but welcome. How's it going? So feed canvas, add quadrant, sextant, and octant markers. Okay. Since modular logic is shared with the former braggart. Nice. No AI used in this issue. Interesting. That's rare. At this point, it's a bit rare, but let's see. Okay, we added new symbols, blank and .7 removed in favorite ordered array of all braille characters. So we have new markers here, I think. I need to update the highlights for this, man. So we have a release highlights on the website, and it was merged at some point. I just need to update that depending on the latest releases, so I'm gonna just go ahead and check out this merge request. Not sure if that's open. Oh, we need to finish the landing page. Damn. Okay, this is the merge request. Okay, I can start taking notes actually. So this is... What was the format? Yeah, okay. Okay, this is the main release PR. This needs to be done before the new release, so I'm gonna just take that as a note. And last month. Okay, I need to update all the highlights based on this now. But okay, that should be fine. Alright, moving on. Moving on. I know I'm a bit scattered at this point, but I'm just like trying to like get my head together on this. We have another merge request related to this. Markers is non-exhaustive. Okay, I can just update the highlights based on that. This should be no problem. Alright, this is gonna pass, I think. Let's see the changes here. Oh, MSRV's changed. Damn. Okay, MSRV's changed. Maybe I should just go to the website and start making changes now. Alright, I'm gonna pull the changes. What? Oh no. Oh no, what? Smudge error. This repository exceeded its LFS budget. This account is responsible for the budget, should increase it to restore it. Damn! Oh my god. We're cooked, guys. Okay. Yeah, cool. I don't know. How can I skip this? 1 second. Okay, I just wanna like skip this somehow. What are these changes? I don't even remember making these changes. It's so weird, what? Okay, I'm behind 4 comments. Git pull ignore LFS. Is that a thing? Yeah, I'm gonna just use this variable, man. I don't care, man. Just give me my comments. Okay, there we go. I don't know what that did, but alright. Just smudge, skip smudge. I guess it's just like skips LFS. I don't know. I'm just gonna copy and paste it here in case anyone is interested in looking at that. But anyways, we have all the commits now. I think I can just check out to 0.30. What? Where's that branch? Oh, okay. 0.30. Rebase main. Just like skip it, man. Should I set this to true? What was it? What was the value? Just 1. Okay. Oh my god. Rebase abort. Git rebase main. My god, what? Directories. Okay, there you go. Again, try again. Alright, now we are in business. We have rebased everything. Cool. Okay. I was doing MSRV updates. Highlights. MSRV. MSRV is this. Okay. When was this merged? Dude, I haven't even approved it, come on. Josh is online right now, I guess, so he just merged it, okay. Fine. What are your system specs? Shitty ThinkPad, 12 gigs of RAM. I don't know, Ryzen something, AMD. Dude, I have no idea. Just take a look at this. Ryzen 7. No, actually I have 24 gigs of RAM. I don't even know my specs, man. Been a while since I needed a lot of system specs. Cause you know, we're always in the terminal. With Ratchef, everything is fine. So yeah. Change flex example colors for macOS to default terminal. What do you think about is tricolor support? Or do you think it's useful to will add other methods to check the tricolor support? Is that a function now? I think we can just have that in as a utility function. Okay, one sec. I think it's fine to have it here for now. We could expand it depending on our needs in the future. the goal should be to fix the example first. Alright, there you go. Alright, moving on with the stuff. Break scrolling regions out into separate trait. I think I have already approved this one. I'm gonna just ping Josh for a review. I'm gonna take a note for this too. A Ryzen processor AMD, my computer constantly crashes with kernel panic when it's idle. Maybe it's a BIOS related thing, because I have some issues with my hardware as well, but people say that if I mean it is fixed by updating BIOS or something like that. I haven't done that though. Okay, we need some conflicts here. Can I resolve them in the UI? Probably. I think I did. Anything else? Next. That was it. Okay, I think I solved the conflicts. Just use the GitHub UI for this and it was quick. I literally moved to Arch today after using Debian for— oh damn. Why? You had some kind of breaking point or what happened? Congrats, by the way. I don't know what to say. Like, what would you say to somebody who used Debian for a long time and just moved to Arch? No idea. Good to have you back. Good to have you back, bro. Alright, I'm gonna actually make a list. Yeah, NixOS. Never tried it, I don't know. Almost done. Almost done. Review needed. I think this is part of the 0.30 already. It's a milestone. Yeah, cool. Alright, moving on with stuff. Overlapping charts. This was merged. What is this doing exactly? I forgot. Just supports overlapping charts, I guess. You have a bunch of good stuff in the charts. Okay, we have another comment here. One or two bow. Surprisingly, most of the packages I installed today are maintained by you. Congrats for the awesome. Thank you, man. Happy to hear that. So, I'm guessing you installed a bunch of Rust stuff. So, yeah. I just maintain a bunch of Rust stuff. Feel free to experiment with I personally haven't seen a real world usage of in the apps yet, so maybe removing that wouldn't be a big deal. Okay. Firstly used Arch CatchOS, then moved Fedora. After graduating from high school, thinking going back to Arch again. It's just a Linux distro, guys. I mean, I'm not like, I don't want to make a big deal out of it, but everybody knows that Arch is superior, so, you know. You know, man. But they're all Linux distros at the end, so they're all doing something. They're all just helping you to build and do your stuff. But yeah, I mean, everybody knows that Arch is superior as hell, so whatever. Just rage baiting. Hello, Yash, welcome. I mean, I respect your decisions, even though they are wrong, but I'm just kidding. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure about this. Is there a conventional to handle the comment in such case? Should it also have the full path? Oh, I think we could have went for. Are you doing dual stream on Twitch and YouTube? No, I'm only on YouTube. I think we could have gone for. By the way, I really love the Ratatui project. I'm learning Rustlang too. Yeah, that's awesome, man. Keep cooking. Keep cooking. Look, this guy over here appreciates your efforts. Keep cooking. Keep cooking. Once I'm good enough, maybe I want to contribute. Yeah, that would be awesome. We need more maintainers. We need more. Yeah, which... Feel free to experiment. Feel free to experiment and make changes. Submit another PR. Overlooked this comment while merging. Sorry. Alright, good. So I think I have cleared all the Ratatouille notifications from my inbox. So it's now time to update the highlights, and then basically gonna just make a list of things that we wanna include in the release and just do some planning, some product owner work. Only wanted to move after failing to unhack the box machine for 2 weeks. Just realized the tools was not up to date. That's why I moved. Nick sucks. It needs huge downloads. Yeah, the downloads are a problem. I contributed in Nick's package in the past, and damn, dude, had to download many gigs. That was a bit annoying. I don't like the music today. So yeah, Nix is like that, unfortunately. Hello Joe Stas, welcome. How's it going? So guys, I have committed this in October 30, and this is the commit hash. I'm gonna generate a changelog from that point to today, and then we're gonna use that to update the highlights, basically. And in the meantime, hopefully no new PRs, so we just like kind of in a future freeze for at least 10 minutes, so everything will be super up to date. Hello people in the chat, how you all doing? How you all doing, people in the chat? How's it going? A new release, yeah. Guys, 5 people watching and 2 people like the stream. Come on, let's get those likes so that we'll be in the front page of more people, and more people come in and just see the rat chef, guys. Come on. And I felt like a YouTuber, man. I hate it. Okay, so get Cliff. Just gonna go to head. Changes MD. Nothing wrong with sharing videos in your work progress. Yeah, that's totally fine, but like saying stuff like, hey guys, just like the video, share the video, hit the bell, subscribe, send me money, those stuff are a bit cringe to me, so that's why. But anyways, we have... Oh, we have a lot of changes, man. What the hell? Only stream with lo-fi music. So, yeah, we have a lot of changes here, but I'm gonna just filter them real quick. What was this comment? I don't remember. Discourage use of this. Okay, this is just like documentation stuff. Remove duplicate link. Some refactors. Bug fixes. Okay, those are fine. From I think Rad Chef needs his own theme song. That's a good... Yeah, more stuff to do, man. More... Now I need to compose something for him. What cursor animations are you using? I think it was a Neovim plugin that I'm using. Size. Do we have any section for stuff? I think this is very small. I'm just gonna skip this one. Add size area. Why do we have so many size specific changes? Okay, charts. Should have a section for chart, man. Bar charts. Widgets, bar chart. Let's do chart. So we have some new stuff over here. So this is one of the chart changes. No, this is unrelated. I think I'm gonna remove this one as well. This is the overlapping charts one. Yeah. So I'm thinking what kind of a... Yeah, I'm just gonna go with something like... Something like this. I think it was something like smear cursor animations or something like that, by the way. Smear cursor, just look that up. Okay, it's actually canvas, not chart. But we have some chart updates here. So, okay. Do we have any cool demo of this somewhere? Unify, let's see. charts. Okay, let me just copy and paste this. Canvas. Actually, do we have any canvas right changes? Anyways, it's now it's actually not chart and okay, I don't know. Is it like for chart as well? No. Make it possible to render. Okay, that should be enough. Okay, I'm gonna actually now add this thing, which is canvas. Alright, what are the new markers? Oh my god, this diff is very annoying. Okay, quadrant. So this is marker quadrant. Do we have any visible examples of that? Alright, sextant. Okay. Node symbols for legacy. Okay. Example. Let's give some examples to that. This is like Tetris. It's literally like Tetris. Alright, and the last one is octant. Right, let's copy something from here. Just started sneezing for some reason. Man, I'm getting sick again. Anyway, let me just finish this up. What? Breaking changes. Okay, breaking change. Following. Okay, let's do a warning. Let me just do a warn maybe. Is it like warn? Note, tip, note. You don't have a warn or caution? Okay, I'm just gonna do a warn here. I think this was a supported syntax, but I don't know. Alright, and then the other one is the marker enum is now okay. Let's build a website now. and see what has changed. Alright, I think these changes are okay, as in these are enough for the highlights. Alright, what's going on now? Alright, just yarn. After this, I'm just gonna start collecting all the issues and PRs. Takes forever. I don't have enough disks. Oh my god. Wait. I have literally 4 megabytes left on my whole drive. I need to delete some packages now. Damn, dude. Oh my god. I'm just gonna delete some of these guys. Empty the trash. Nowadays we get ad in live streams too. I can pause that, I think. Or I can disable that, but guys, come on, dude. I'm just like, that's not something I have configured, but I have monetization enabled, so that just happens out of my control. But guys, come on, I'm not making money from this. 2 ads should be fine. Just help this broke open source developer out, man. I'm just kidding. So next year I don't have anything to do, like any job or anything. Right now I have some freelance stuff, but next year I'm literally doing nothing, so I need to grind something. Maybe full-time live streams. At that point you'll see 18 ads per minute. No, I'm just kidding. But I delayed the ads for you, so you won't see ads for some time. So no worries. So guys, there's actually a trick. There's actually a trick to see no ads on live streams, and that is so in the chat there's a emoji button. And next to the emoji button there's a box with a $sign in it, right? So that means if you click that means like there will be no ads, because you know the money, like it's in a box, so it says no money, right? So click that and there will be some page. It will ask for some numbers. It will say something like credit card or something like that, doesn't matter. So get a random card from your wallet, just like, you know, maybe your credit card. Your credit card would work the best, but it doesn't really matter. Wait, I'm literally getting out of space here. So get some random card, you know, just put in the numbers, and then just put the highest number that you could ever imagine there. That means like, show me this, don't show me this amount of ads, right? That means that. So do that and you will see no ads after that point, and you won't see me either, because I'll be I'll be gone. But anyways, I'm just joking. Okay, no space left on device. You see, like, if you like sponsor me on GitHub, maybe I could get an extra hard drive. I'm just begging for money, man. I'm just begging for money, man. No, I'm good. I have cheese. I'm just gonna remove a bunch of packages, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. I started a side business. I grow indoor plants on the side. Dude, I hope that's not what I'm thinking. But cool, sounds cool. Just be careful about the police, man. No worries, Yash. It's all good. It's all fine. Maybe I should start growing plants too and build a Ratatui based humidity and temperature sensor display or something like that. That would be pretty cool as a project. I need to get back on my ESP32 grind, man. I need to do more ESP stuff. I have no idea what that is. Monster and Anubius, I have no idea. Man, gotta learn and become good in Rust. Hell yeah, man. So, I think I'm done with the highlights. Required Rust skills too. No, I mean it's very straightforward as a project. You just need to have a terminal and Rust installed, and it's super straightforward. We have good documentation in the code as well, so I would say like intermediate level, not really advanced. So if you give it a shot, you'll figure it out. Don't worry. All you gotta do is just clone the repo and just start looking at things. Update highlights. I saw you had a repo with some embedded stuff. Yeah, I gotta start doing that again. I love embedded stuff. I have a bunch of other stuff on my desk actually. Let's see. I have a lot of ESP32s on the side. I was gonna show you something, but yeah, I built this. Maybe I can just show you this. Gotta work on this again. This is like a guitar tuner. It's like, looks like this. All Ratatouille based. Let's go. Again, yeah, this is the project, but I need to get back on it again at some point. I have a whole series dedicated to it on my channel. If you go to the playlists, there's a series called Becoming a Musician, and that's like whole embedded Rust stuff and ESP32. So yeah, guys, I cannot build this because node modules. I'm just gonna remove node modules. I literally cannot build it, man. I don't have enough space. I don't know how I'm gonna make space for this. Oh my god. Okay, Astro. Admonitions. Yeah, that's the project. Not this though. Caution. So we have caution. I think I can use just caution here, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna just use caution. All right. Logs, highlights, update highlights based on latest changes. I'm gonna create a PR. This is the wrong branch. It should be this one, I think. Oh my god, what is going on? Yeah, I mean... It's because it's not rebased. I gotta rebase this and it's gonna be alright, probably. Alright, create pull request. And then I'm gonna go to... force push there. No, wait. What did I do? No, it's fine. Okay, force push there. For a second I was just so worried, but it's gonna be fine. Now we'll have only one commit here because it's been updated in this branch. And let's see the changes. All good. Alright, I'm gonna copy this into my release document. Website. Right, let's just collect PRs. This is like... I'm not sure about the format of this issue that I'm planning to create, so I'm basically gonna go ahead and here I'm gonna create a issue. Something like... Okay, can I just create an empty issue? No? Okay, whatever. It's not bug report. Feature request, let's do this one. Labels, maintenance or something. Labels, maintenance, and then priority. I. Okay, Ratatui 0.30 release checklist. Alright, so this thing already adds the PR name here, so I'm not sure if I should like do it like this. Probably not. What the hell? No, I'm just doing it wrong. It should be something like... I'm just confused. I'm just confused. One sec. It should be something like this, basically. No, I mean, I can just like use the PR ID, I think, just like this. Alright, just gonna do that for now. So that's that. Website. That's the highlights. We have the main PR. And then we have a landing page. Not sure what's the latest status on this one, because already reviewed it. Josh approved it. In chance that we could get a last revision on this one. Think it should be pretty ready after that. Context, going over the open PRs and preparing checklist for the next release, which should happen in December. What are we merging into? Okay, we're just merging into the website. Okay, that's cool. Anything else that we want to include? I think this is still draft. What was the state on this one? Rattatui, no. Rattatui. A lightweight, secure Discord terminal UI. Man, yeah, I've seen it. Let's go. So I didn't really install it and try it out. It looks cool though, but I'm afraid if you use like unofficial clients for Discord, you might get banned because they just like They don't like that. Okay, this should be ready, I think. But this has been sitting there for a long time. I'm able to resolve it. If this is like up to date with the main branch, I think it should be fine to merge it. Yeah. I'm just gonna merge it now. It has been sitting there since forever. Not sure about this one. Are these like released already? Yeah, he did. I think we can just update this one as well. So I'm gonna include it in here. Alright, let's check the milestones. Yeah, just 2 PRs. Should be pretty quick to get those in. Alright, website is done. Let's check the other repos. What do we have? Templates maybe. I think this should be pretty ready. Oh, I haven't checked the issues for the Ratatui website. One sec. think this is the same as what we have. Collapse borders recipe. How many projects are in New York that are maintained by you and are actively having a lot of traffic? Projects? What do you mean? We don't have any projects in Ratatui organization, we just have the library. Centering thing. Rust has multiple libraries now, what do you mean? Collapse border recipe. Oh yeah, we have multiple modules. Are there any other reviewers or maintainers? Yeah, we have 2 people. 3. Add page about no CD concept. Okay, we have more issues coming in after I looked at the milestone. Document problems with multiple cross-term versions. I think this is yeah, I'm gonna just remove this from 0.30. I think it won't make it to the release, so I'm gonna just remove it. But that should be it. Okay. Let's take a look at templates. Documentation is outdated, what? This is now fixed in the website. Laser cell. Did we actually do this? No, I don't think we did. Let's check. Yeah, we still use lazy static. But I mean, this is not needed for the release, so I'm gonna just skip it. Good first issue, let's do this. Marking as good first issue. Alright. I think we can finally take a look at some actual Ratatui stuff. Let me just go with the actual milestone. Implement direct ops for moving resizing. To finalize this one, I think. $15.96. Needs finalizing. All right. This is now, I think, can be closed. What happened in India? Cyclone? Now done in 2560, 2165. Alright, renaming some stuff. Need to decide what to do. might not be necessary. Alright. I'll link in docs to NodeSTD page on website when it's ready. Okay. Let table cells span multiple columns. I think this is also almost done. '21. Yeah, I already recorded that. It's all mountains over mountains here. Yeah. Right, so 21. 50. $21.50. Okay. Cell diff options. What do you want to do with this actually? It's just 1605. Needs finalizing. Clear pending questions. Okay. I think that's all from the milestone. Let's just have a look at some other issues. Feed list truncate. I'm just gonna close this, to be honest. I'm getting some messages, one sec. I don't think this is So this install action does not have cargo readme. It doesn't have it at all. Cargo readme. Broken, what? Mac OS binary is missing. Okay, I'm just gonna leave a comment here. Alright, let's take a look at this one. So it's 2211 2211 2211. Needs finalizing again. Alright, this is merge, this is merge. Truncate. I'm actually gonna wait a bit more for this. And this is not like super like this doesn't have to be in 0.30, I think. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. Adding this to the 0.21 milestone. I think it's pretty useful, but I don't think we can make it to 0.30. I think it's going to be pretty useful. Okay, there we go. All right, let's see. Truncation for text widgets, what is that? 2002. This is draft though. Clear area for merging. This is 31. 1964. Set viewport height. I'm just gonna keep the issue list for 0.2 minimal. Multicolor line charts. That's pretty useful actually. But I don't know what happened, like what's the latest status of this? I think I'm gonna add this to 0.21. Adding this to 0.21 milestone. Multivit character rendering. I think this was a fix. Yeah. $16.35. This would be nice to fix in 0.30. Would be nice to include. These review and tests. Just gonna skip this. What did I do? Oh, 34, okay. 34. I don't know. So high priority 20, 21, 21, 22, 10. I think that's already 1997. $21.88. Realistic and okay, I'm just gonna post this milestone. Let's just link to the milestones too. Nope, let me just add this to the milestone. How can I edit the milestones, man? What milestones? All right. Here's a here's a realistically prioritized checklist for the upcoming release of Ratatouille. Which is planned to go out in December. On these let me get that. Okay, maybe let's have a look at some other repos and stuff. No, I mean, I don't want to like make this too complicated by just adding a lot of optional stuff to it and just derailing our focus from the main repo and website to other stuff. Just want to have these actually. Okay. After these are 90% done, I'll create a release pair with manual changelog updates. Changelog updates and so please note that our changelog generation via release please is still broken. Let me know if I missed anything important. Alright, should be good. Alright, does it show how much percent this is done? Nope. Assigny. Can I just assign this to maintainers? Nope. Alright, there you go. I'm gonna post this to the chat so that you can also have a look. But these are the stuff that we need to work on for the release, and we have 4 weeks. So that's that. End of 2025. Yeah, guys, that's all from me for today. We have a checklist now, so we just need to get the work done. Yeah. I'll see you in the next one. Sponsor me if you like what I'm doing, and join Discord. We have a bunch of cool people there. We have all the cool kids, so join Discord. Let's hang out there. Don't miss the live streams, I'm just announcing them there. Follow me on socials, connect me on LinkedIn. Let's get this bread, let's get this butter, and let's get this cheese. Take care, everybody.